Hello, guys. Today, I have brought a very interesting project called the Automatic Staircase Timer. The purpose of this project is simple. When someone starts climbing the stairs, the light turns on automatically, and after a preset time, the light turns off by itself. There is no need to come back downstairs or upstairs to switch it off manually. One major advantage of this project is that it saves electricity. First, we will move on to the circuit design, and after that, I will explain how this circuit works for better understanding. Place a 555 timer. Use a 12-volt battery as the power supply. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to ground. Connect the positive terminal to pin 8 and pin 4 of the IC. Connect pin 1 to ground. Connect a 0.01 microfarad capacitor from pin 5 to ground. This filters noise and keeps the output stable. Short pin 6 and pin 7. Connect a capacitor between pin 6/7 and ground. This capacitor plays a key role in setting the on time. Add a resistor or potentiometer with the capacitor. Together, they determine how long the light stays on. Use an NPN transistor to maintain proper current. Connect its base through a 1 kilo-ohm resistor. Connect the relay coil to the transistor's collector. Place a diode across the relay coil. This protects the circuit from back EMF. Connect the other side of the relay coil to 12 volts. Attach an LED or a 12-volt lamp to the relay contacts. Connect pin 2 to 12 volts through a 10 kilo-ohm resistor. This is where the push button is connected to trigger the timer. Initially, the resistance and capacitance values are set for 5 seconds. When the button is pressed, the light turns on and turns off exactly after 5 seconds. To set the timer for 10 seconds, adjust the resistance value accordingly. This ensures the bulb turns off exactly after 10 seconds. I will explain how this circuit works for better understanding. So let's begin. Initially, the circuit remains in standby, wait mode. As soon as you press the push button installed near the staircase, a negative ground pulse is applied to pin 2 of the 555 timer IC. This signal tells the IC to start the timer. Once the trigger is received, pin 3, output of the IC, goes high. The capacitor C1 starts charging. The duration for which the light stays on depends on the values of the potentiometer and the capacitor, according to the standard 555 timer formula shown on the screen. As long as the capacitor is charging, the light remains on. Since the 555 timer IC cannot supply enough current to operate a high-power bulb, we use a transistor and a relay. The output signal from pin 3 goes to the transistor. The transistor switches on the relay. When the relay contacts close, the LED or lamp turns on. When capacitor C1 reaches a specific charge level, the 555 timer detects that the set time is complete. Immediately, pin 3 goes low, 0 volts. The transistor turns off. The relay coil becomes de-energized. The light automatically turns off. This automatic staircase timer is a simple, efficient, and practical project that improves convenience, safety, and energy efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.